Get him out of here! Get him out of here! Get the hell out of here!
गुज़िश्ता दिनों आपने देखा होगा अमेरिका के बुनियादी हकूक़ के निज़ाम को एक बहुत बड़ा धचका लगा जब अमेरिकी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के सफ़र पे पाबंदी की पॉलिसी को बरकरार रखने का फैसला किया। हालांकि माजी में मातहत अदालतों ने इस पॉलिसी के खिलाफ कुछ पाबंदियां लगाई थी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले के जरिए उन सब की सब रुकावटों को हटा दिया गया है।
Donald J. Trump is calling for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States until our country's representatives can figure out what the hell is going on.
यानी चैड, लिबिया, सोमालिया, शाम, ईरान और यमन, वो सब के सब ममालिक मुसलमानों की अक्सरियत रखते हैं और जिस वजह से इस पॉलिसी को मुस्लिम बैन दुरुस्त कहा जाता है।
As such, when considering whether or not this ban makes America any safer, the answer is probably not. The reasons for this are relatively simple. Firstly, Islamist terror actually represents a relatively marginal threat to the security of the United States. Over the past 2 decades, the number of attacks that have taken place in the United States has been relatively low, as has the total number of casualties, especially when compared to other kinds of violence, such as mass shootings. Even when such attacks do take place, the perpetrators more often than not tend to be homegrown terrorists, born and bred within the United States and the West more generally. And it's clear that curtailing immigration or curtailing the entry of Muslims from certain countries would do very little, if anything, to prevent this kind of radicalization from taking place on American soil itself.
We're standing here this morning with 9 people who did absolutely nothing wrong, who had absolutely no reason to be barred from this country, other than the fact that their passport said Yemen on it.
And its symbolism is also important to understand its audience. It's not meant to enhance foreign policy, but to increase support among Mr. Trump's constituents.
I'm smart. I'm like a smart person.